Hey, my prepper posse. Hope everybody's doing great. Yeah, these temperature swings, being so cold. It's 26 this morning still. Whew. Anyway, it took me an hour to get the bit out of, the drill bit, out of my drill because it was frozen. So I was able to finally do it, and I got my paddle bit in. I'm putting a hole in here, and I've got to even it out a little bit, but I'm going to run it through because I want to run my electricity. This plug goes down below into my breaker box, and that works off of the inverter. So I just want to clean up my electrical and run it through the bus so I can plug everything in all the way through, and it's not this mess. I don't want any mess. So that's what I'm doing today. Woohoo! The biggest pain in the butt is, when you're trying to work on your house when everything's in the house and you have to move everything out of the way. That's a pain too. But it's alright. Luckily, it's movable. So I can move things along and get her done. I have some birds are in the bus. I'll play them for you if I can reach this. Yep. Excuse me. Let's see. Don't forget to play. See ya.